Registration in Ddoc 2.0. How to register a parliamentary document in Ddoc 2.0. In the Request list view, click on Create Document Request. Submitted by and processed by is already pre-filled based on your Ddoc 2.0 account. Select Request Type. Select Document Type. If you have a forecast reference number, fill in the forecast number. Click Create. In step 1 of the request wizard, information has already been pre-filled as to your Ddoc 2.0 account. Fill remaining mandatory fields marked as an asterisk. Click Next. In step 2 of the wizard, organ information has already been pre-filled as to your Ddoc 2.0 account. If needed, you can search and select another organ. You are submitting a parliamentary document, therefore search and select the correct meeting/session number. Click Next. In step 3, fill in the mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Write XB document in the mandate and mandate URL fields. Click Next. In step 4, select original and destination languages. Click Next. In step 5, fill in and select requested issuance date, document category, and document disposition. Click Next. In step 6, click on the small cloud icon. Select File to upload. Once the file is uploaded, word count will automatically be calculated. Select Category and click Save. Click Next. In step 7, select Distribution and Output, then click Next. In step 8, Summary, check your submission. Since this is an XB submission, we need to save as draft. Click Save as Draft. Click on Finance. On the Finance page, click on the plus sign. In a pop-up box, fill or search for Certifier, Umoja Cost Assignment, and Umoja Fund Approver. Click Next. In the next pop-up box, fill in the funding information. In this instance, we are using VBS element. Click Next. With the finance information filled, click Submit. Click Confirm Submit. Congratulations! Your submission is now with document control. Thank you. See you in the next Ddoc 2.0 tutorial.